Hi everybody, welcome to this video. In this video we will present our animation project. First of all, let's introduce ourselves.
Hello, my name is Juan Camilo. I am 19 years old and I study visual design.
Hello, my name is Camilo. I am 18 years old. I am studying advertising.
Our project consisting of device and just reading or watching movies on the phone, in a vehicle, in progress, by the mobile, adapt you to any cell, and by means of different ways in a center of gravity, and the users may have interactions with Acer.
If you want to deal with the problem or S-problem of hidden viewings, the phone will, in a vehicle motion, be means of device. Into the mic, the person can enjoy saying, your cell phone will don't have a work, your beef or suffer discomfort.
For the new people when they want to enjoy their series or movies while you going in a moving AI. For general audiences are to more promote the new technology and modern strategy for the stabilizer of mobile and portable device, and to prevent visual diseases that affect human notice and are processed by movements.
Specific objectives: to create a broad organization for the technological stacks of the user, to offer a different options to reduce the movements of mobile phones, to create a new experience.
Now we are going to show you the manufacturing process.
The materials that you need are PVC plug, phone support, PVC tube, screws, PVC elbow, PVC cap, hacksaw, drill, thread, welding for PVC.